Okay, we're gonna get ready here to make one of my top favorite chickens. Easy, simple recipe, can be completed very quickly. I'm actually cooking this just coming from work. It takes me literally about 15 minutes to prepare everything and another 10 minutes to cook. And this is over charcoal and lighting up the chimney, getting everything started. No more than 25 minutes, so it worked out really good. Here's we're adding some salt, paprika. Keep in mind that paprika is just for color, not so much for taste, so just add a little bit. Now here's the secret of a great juicy kebab. Add olive oil, a lot of it. Now lime goes great with the chicken, and you don't even need to let it marinate. Just put it 5-10 minutes while the chimney is going. It will actually pick up the flavor, so it works perfectly. There's absolutely zero marination time for this. Soy sauce. Soy sauce just a little bit. Do not overdo it. Now mix it really well, and we're gonna get ready for the kebab skewers. I see these little pieces, they're just gonna burn out, so just take it off. Just leave it there for now. When you're doing this, you always want to put the thicker pieces in the end, because the hottest part of your grill is always towards the back. And if you put it towards the front, it's not a good idea. So we start with the smallest pieces. And then start to getting the thicker ones. Like this is a good piece right here. And then the biggest one you have towards the end. This one will work nicely. That's a big piece right there. There you go. Now, as I always say, charcoal is always better. But you can still cook this in a gas, and it doesn't matter, it's gonna taste great no matter what. Now when you're putting the skewers on the barbecue, make sure you leave a little space between them. Not too much, but enough so that the heat and the smoke get picked up by the chicken. And if you just put them so tight together, there will be no space for them to kind of breathe and pick up that awesome smoke taste. See how I do it right here? It's the perfect version to do it. Perfect way, I mean. Now at midpoint, I like to baste it with the remaining sauce. It flares up a little bit, and you quickly, turn it, but it just gives that additional moist, because chicken, especially chicken breast, is so dry, and this works out perfectly. So it's nice and juicy in the end, and it seals the meat and its juices. So I definitely recommend you baste it only once. Don't baste it towards the end, just once at midpoint, and that's pretty much it, and that will cover it. And here's the ending result. Absolutely cooked to perfection. A little bit of char, which makes it taste great, the caramelization, and it's just awesome, quick and easy. I hope you give this a try. Let me know what you think below in the comments, and subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching.